But I love it. It's so cute.
Hey YouTube, it's Faye.
I'm back with another video. This one's gonna be a two-part. I ordered a wig online from Westkiss, and I think it's gonna be a bop. I think it's gonna be a really pretty wig. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to show you guys it fresh out of the packaging. I didn't take it, like I just got it in the mail. I didn't take it out. I haven't seen it yet or anything, so it's kind of gonna be like, it's definitely gonna be my first impression as well on the wig. So let's get it going. So as for shipping, I would say that it took about a week and some change, because I ordered it on like I think a Saturday or a Sunday, so that wasn't a business day, and then that was that. So I took it out of the FedEx packaging, and then you have this Westkiss Love Your Hair, Kiss Your Beauty. Okay. So they've added some goodies in here. A deluxe wig cap, that's usual. And then they also gave me a pair of lashes. And that's it. Then they put the wig in a bag. So I'm nervous. I'm really nervous because y'all, this wig wasn't cheap. Okay. I got cap size medium. I got hair density 200, and I also got 24 inches. I'm gonna leave the exact wig link below, and yeah, that's awesome. Okay. Not smelly. There's a scent, but it literally just smells like hair. Okay. Let's take a look at this lace before we unravel everything. This one went away. There is no rubber. There is no band in it, but there are tightening strips. That's important for me because I'm trying to have this be like a no glue type of thing after I get it installed. There are a few threads in here that are different colors. I see one that's pink, and I think that's it. So, wow. This hair looks really good. Like, really good. It don't smell like roaches or nothing. No, it's legit. Other than that, I mean, we can do a quick comb through. And I like how dense it is. I definitely picked the proper one. I think I picked the one that was in the middle, 200. A little bit of thread from the rough just came out, but it was like the littlest piece. Literally. Yeah. Hey guys, so this is the final look, and I love it. I'll be back with like a review of everything, probably later or in the morning. But I love it. It's so cute. Hey guys, so it's the next day after my install. The hair is dense. I bought 200% density, and my stylist, when she was doing my hair, she was like, yeah, this hair is definitely true to its density. I remember she plucked the heck out of the frontal, but the frontal is still pretty full in my opinion. What else? It's long. I got 24 inches. I said it's long. I got 24 inches. I didn't measure it exactly, but I feel like it's it's pretty long. So I truly do believe that it does match up to its 24 inches. As for shedding, so far it hasn't shed that much. It really hasn't shed that much at all. I did wash it. Well, I didn't wash it, my stylist washed it, and she said it felt really good and it looked really good when I watched her wash it. As of right now, I'm gonna go to the beauty supply store today and I'm gonna get some shine for it, probably some oil sheen, or I'm probably gonna have to pick between the two because they're kind of like the same exact thing. What else am I gonna have to go pick up? I'm gonna have to go pick up well, this isn't even a part of the hair, but it's more so just frontal and like laying it, but a hot comb, because I don't have one of those. And yeah, the hair is really shiny already, even though I think the only time it got shine was when my stylist did it. As for does it take heat? Well, so far it does take heat really, really well. She put in these curls with a straightener, and I went to sleep last night and I kind of just like wrapped it and then put it up with my bonnet. The curls they're looser, a lot looser than when she had first did it. I'll probably put pictures. I'll put in a video now. So yeah, as you can see, like my hair is like so bouncy, so freaking cute. Yes. Anyways, so that's my initial review of Westkiss's hair. As of right now, was it worth the coins? It was definitely worth it. In about 2 to 3 weeks, I'll be watching it and I'll probably make clips and show you what the hair is becoming, because I know that like a lot of times like people will post videos on YouTube and they'll show you them buying their hair, they'll show you installing it, and then you never see the wig again, like ever again. And I don't like that. I like to, you know, let people know the true story, because you're spending money on it, you know. But thank you so much for watching my video and for coming to my channel. Let me stop playing with it. Okay, but as you can see, you can play with it. It moves. Don't forget to turn on my post notifications for when I post the next review about this, and for when I do more reviews on hair, because this is going to be something that's going to happen more often. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and comment. Let me know if you have the wig, and let me know what you've experienced. Let me know if you have any questions, if you're thinking about ordering it, because I'm pretty good at hair. Like, I used to do hair as well, you know, and I understand some bundles.
Thank you for keeping up with Faye.
And I'll be back with something for you guys to keep up with soon.